Hi divas and divos, this is Miranda from Corky's Wine and Nails. I'm a diva ambassador for the Triple D team and you are watching the Triple D YouTube channel. Today I'd really love to show you this really cool chrome effect using chrome powder that's available in the shop over a favorite dip powder color that I own. It was a Black Friday freebie that came with purchases, but I'll show you how to do a really fun nail look and achieve that chrome effect. So stay tuned if you're interested. This first application I'm doing is absolutely optional. You do not have to do this, but this is what's called a peel base. And I like to use this so that I can easily pop off my dip powders and switch colors very quickly. You do have to experiment with results. So if you try that out, it's definitely something I love and recommend. The next step, I do the standard dip process. For me, I did 3 dips with this color because that's the thickness and opacity and the strength that I like, but that's definitely personal preference for you. You're seeing me do my last dip, my 3rd dip here, where I'm applying dip base, and then I was using the lay flat method, so you'll see me lay flat into this cupcake liner that I had poured the dip powder into. And then you'll notice that I have the Triple D Precision tool and I use the pointy metal end here. It's not too pointy, but it's just perfect to get in that little nook between your nail bed and your cuticle and make sure you get really nice, clean results. Once you have completed all of your dips, just brush off any excess dip powder and do a really nice healthy drink of activator to solidify and really harden that dip powder. And then you're going to get into your buffing, filing, and shaping process. I really love these Triple D Crescent nail files. They're really long lasting. I was actually in a longer version of this video that's on the Corky's Wine and Nails YouTube channel. I was explaining how loved and worn my old file is. It actually dawned on me to go grab a new one because they just last forever and they're just seriously the best results. So definitely a favorite thing of mine. If you're ever shopping on the website, go ahead and do yourself a favor and grab one of these. But I'm just going to make sure one of the key things for the process to prepare for chrome is you really want smooth nail beds. You want all of your dip product to be really nice and smooth because chrome catches light and it will really show any flaws that you have. So just take your time and do the filing and buffing, just kind of enjoy the process and get everything really nice and cleaned up. Now I'm getting ready to apply the chrome, and what's really important is to make sure that you do use your gel base coat. Some people like to skip gel base and just go straight to gel top. I really recommend using gel base because now that we've done the work to file and buff our nail really smooth, this gel base will really help make sure that your gel top coat and your chrome powder is all really locked onto the nail. And prevents chipping and peeling and all of that. So definitely apply a coat of gel base and then I cure for 30 seconds once I've applied this to all the nails. Now it's time to apply a layer of gel top coat. And so I really love the way the formulation of the gel base and gel top, all the Triple D liquids, but I really like the way that this brush fans out because I can get it right up to my cuticle line and get really nice results. I kept this part in here because I ended up with like a random little fuzzy that just jumped onto my nail. So I don't want that to show up when I chrome and I don't want that to be stuck in my gel top. So I did, just kind of remove that little piece and smooth everything out. Again, we want a really smooth nail because we want the chrome to look so super just metallic and glossy. Once all nails are coated, then I will cure for 30 seconds. Now here is the exciting part of the video. We are going to play with the chrome. Once you take off the lid, sometimes your initial reaction might be like, ooh, wow, it's so magical. But you also might be like, wait, hey, this isn't full. And you might think like, hey, this isn't a lot of product, but chrome is very, very expensive. So this is actually a very good amount that is being offered here. And it's also a little goes a long way. So this little jar is gonna do many, many, many manis. And so it's so simple. You just get this little tiny makeup brush. You can also use a silicone tool. You could use your finger if you want to be messy. It's totally fine, but just gently buff onto the nail and it will literally just look like metallic amazingness. Here I'm kind of playing with like what it might look like as a maybe like a French ombre kind of effect, but I really wanted to do a full nail, a full hand of chrome, and I'm glad I did because it really reminded me with this particular combination, reminded me of mermaids and unicorns, and that's totally my vibe that I like to do with my nails. But you can pick a different dip color to wear underneath. If you pick a very, very dark one, it's going to have a different outcome once you put chrome on versus putting a lighter color on. So just keep that in mind. The color underneath will influence the outcome of how the chrome effect looks. So one little jar of this chrome can have totally different looks just depending on switching your color around. It's really cool. One thing I should have mentioned earlier too is when you're applying your gel top coat, that is what the chrome is really gonna stick to. So just try to be as tidy as you can be and make sure you get your sidewalls and all the spots, because if you miss any little spots, you need the gel for the chrome to like adhere and stick to, bond to, if that makes sense, as you're buffing it into it. So you just want to do your best to make sure you fully cover the nail, don't get it on your skin, the gel on your skin, and just do your best. But look how amazing this is. I absolutely love how they look as a full chromed mani. It's just, such a stunning look. And so I gently dust off any excess of the chrome powder. And now I'm gonna do one more coat of gel top coat. This is going to seal in the chrome, lock everything in. And I'm just going to make sure that every nail is fully coated, and this will also make sure everything stays nice and glossy and shiny. Once I do every finger, then I will cure for 90 seconds in my lamp. After you've worked so hard on your beautiful mani, I love to nourish my skin and nails. I use the Triple D oil pens. This one is #MermaidLife. It's actually a collab custom scent that's available in the shop that I did as Corgis Wine and Nails with Triple D. It smells amazing. Look how good our mani turned out. I did this look for a holiday event and I got lots of compliments. I hope you try it out. Leave a note in the comments if you do try it out. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see more videos, let us know. Thanks for watching Triple D. Love you, nail friends. Bye.